Simplify 2x plus y plus z whole square. Answer. Here we use a plus b plus c whole square formula is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is the formula. Therefore, here a is equal to 2x and b is y and c is z. Now this equal to a square. A is 2x whole square plus b square. B is y square plus c square. C is z square plus 2 into a is 2x into b is y plus 2bc. 2b is y, c is z plus 2ca. 2 into c is z, a is 2x into 2x. This equal to 2 square is 4x square plus y square as it is z square plus 2 to the 4xy. 4xy plus 2yz. 2yz plus 2 to the 4xz is answer.